In today's competitive automotive repair market, your shop owner customers are under pressure to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime. Turbochargers are an increasingly common component, and understanding their nuances is vital for their profitability. By offering TerraPower turbochargers and highlighting these points, you can help your customers succeed. TerraPower turbochargers are engineered for unparalleled performance and reliability across a wide range of vehicles, from everyday passenger cars to specialized commercial equipment. They're built to meet the demands of both import and domestic markets. TerraPower offers a comprehensive range of turbochargers carefully crafted for various applications. They deliver exceptional performance and reliability, incorporating continuous improvements to original equipment designs, translating to enhanced durability, efficiency, and consistent reliability throughout their service life. It's not just about the turbo. Emphasize to your customers that turbocharger failures are rarely random. There's always an underlying cause. Replacing the turbo without addressing the root cause will likely lead to repeat failures and dissatisfied customers. Educate your customers so they can recognize common symptoms of turbocharger issues, including loss of power, excessive exhaust smoke, unusual noises, black smoke, which can signal a clogged catalytic converter, dirty air filter, or a faulty fuel management system, blue smoke, often indicating issues with oil feed lines, bearing damage, or defective piston rings, oil leakage from the turbine or compressor end. This can stem from damaged seals or bearing problems. Of course, it's not just about understanding why it failed. Your customers need to make sure their customers have the job done right. Foreign object damage, oil contamination, and improper installation are major culprits. Neglecting these issues can lead to repeat failures and dissatisfied customers. Emphasize the importance of following proper procedures, using quality oil, and inspecting related components. Introduce the TURBO acronym. Let your customers know that TerraPower has created a 5-step TURBO acronym to assist them through the process of troubleshooting their customer's turbo. T for troubleshoot. To resolve the turbo failure, there needs to be the proper troubleshooting before the turbo replacement. U, use recommended oil. To avoid damaging the turbocharger bearings, quality oil is needed. R, replace key components. Replace any components that may be damaged, such as oil lines, filters, and the turbine. B, be sure to prime. Prior to use, the turbocharger needs to be primed before spinning. O, our tech support team is here to help. The TerraPower team is able to help them through any install or fitment issues. TerraPower is committed to supporting their shop with a technical support team that is readily available by phone, with mobile technology allowing their ASE certified technicians to see what they're seeing, giving real-time assistance. Customers can access installation guides, part number identification, and easy access to an extensive catalog, ensuring straightforward and efficient installations. Direct customers to terrapower.com/turbochargers to learn more about the latest products, resources, and support programs. By providing valuable information and demonstrating your knowledge, you help build trust with your shop owner customers. Educating your customers on the importance of proper diagnostics and installation can lead to increased sales of related parts and service. And by helping your customers avoid common mistakes, you can reduce the number of returns and warranty claims.